Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will teach you a quick tutorial on how to buy AIDOGE coin on MEXC Global. AIDOGE is a deflationary token that will be used by AIDOGE ecosystem applications. It's a Memecoin like Dogecoin, and who knows, it might be the next big thing. Based on CoinGecko, AIDOGE can be traded on Huobi, Lbank, Bitmart, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy AIDOGE on MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to $1,000 USDT beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MEXC app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy AIDOGE coin, go to the Markets tab. Here you search for AIDOGE/USDT pairs. MEXC Global offers futures and spot trading on AIDOGE. For this video, we will use spot trading to obtain AIDOGE, so you choose AIDOGE USDT. Tap on the buy button here. Make sure you are on spot and buy tab. Keep it under limit order for you to set the buy price you want, though you can use market order to buy AIDOGE coin immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders, and the green section shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price, and here is the amount of tokens you want to get. With the AIDOGE coin, we are talking hundreds or millions quantity. Just input here the total USDT you want to use. Once all is set, you tap Buy AIDOGE. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders, and just tap this icon to see your trade history and its details. To check your tokens, just go back to your Wallets tab. That's how simple is it to buy AIDOGE coin on MEXC Global. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.